Just have to wait and see. Naluja just sliced the ball home.
Ba champion ba Kampala Queens bisho muzano gu bari kuchumanya ngo bono baratunge amuzano gu tukubasa kwalemesa kusinga impakezi kandi amwerwe dakika 9 bagwa kikazi na She Maroons agora emwandijo.
Strike there. Oh, came as a joke, and now we're back on level terms. No wonder celebrations kick off on the yellow half of the pitch.
Queens nibo babanza kwamba rebe nyuma y'ekitimba bwa nyuma y'edakika 27 na goro ya captain wabo Shamila Nalujam bita ba She Maroons nabo biza ba ijunu so mugisha gwabo bateba goro kwingana so mudakika 5 na goro ya Fiona Luce Atono. Bwanyuma bakwasibwa ekikopo mukujaguza kwa mani muno kandi obusinguzo obundi bwiza kwanu batwara omu mpaka za CAF Champions League ezo qualifying.